Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay, girls, please. I want you to prepare your English book, your notebook, and your pens to start my lesson for today. Please, girls, prepare your English book, your notebook, and your pens to start my lesson for today, please. Now, let me ask you about the day and the date, girls. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. Let's spell the word Tuesday, girls. Tuesday. Again, today is Tuesday. Tuesday. And the date is 9 4 14 42 after Hijrah. Again, girls, today is Tuesday. How to spell the word Tuesday? Tuesday, and the date is 9 4 14 42 after Hijrah. Now, girls, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today, and we will play together balloons game. Let me see what is the question behind number 1. What is the past of the verb speak? The past of the verb speak is spoke. Number 2, make one sentence. Make one sentence, please, girls, make one sentence using spoke. I spoke to my teacher yesterday, for example. Number 3, give me one countable noun, then make a sentence using the countable noun. For example, books. Books is a countable noun, so I have 5 books. Number 4, make one sentence using always. I always do my homework, for example. Number 5, make 2 sentences using the past. For example, number 1, I went to the garden yesterday. 2, I played with my little brother. Number 6, how old are you? For example, I am 10 years old. Choose A or N. I have big bedroom. I have big bedroom. What should I use here? I have the word big, and the first letter in the word big is B. B is a consonant letter, so I should use what? I should use A. So I have a book. I have a big bedroom. I have a big bedroom. Number 8. Name 3 shapes: triangle, circle, rectangle. Make one sentence using never. I never play in the street. 10. Make a sentence using camel. Yesterday, I went to the zoo and saw many camels. Now, girls, the past simple tense game. For example, girls, if I ask you, what is the past of the verb write, wrote, go, went, cry, cried, study, studied, swim, swam, has, had, have, had, do, did, break, broke, drive, drove, speak, spoke, talk, talked. Now, girls, today, inshallah, we will start taking a new lesson, which is lesson 2, part 1, page number 38. Page number 38. And as we said before, this unit is about what is this and what is that. Okay, girls, let me start my own lesson for today by explaining what do I mean by the uncountable nouns. Last time I explained what do I mean by the countable nouns. Today I will explain what do I mean by uncountable nouns. Let me see the definition, girls. Are nouns which cannot be counted. What do I mean by the uncountable nouns? Are nouns which cannot be counted. It cannot be counted using numbers. It cannot be counted using numbers, and it can never have a plural form. What do I mean by a plural form? I mean the S at the end of the plural word. Okay? So, uncountable nouns are nouns which cannot be counted. It cannot be counted using numbers. I couldn't say numbers like 2, 3, 4, and it can never have a plural form. What do I mean by a plural form? I mean S at the end of the noun. Okay, girls? So, are nouns which cannot be counted. It cannot be counted using numbers, and it can never have a plural form. Now, girls, let me show you examples using the uncountable nouns. For example, bread, rice, coffee, tea, information, happiness, rain, water, milk, hair. Again, girls, give me examples using uncountable nouns. For example, bread, rice, coffee, tea, information, happiness, rain, water, milk, hair. I cannot count the uncountable nouns. I cannot say rices. I cannot say coffees, teas. I couldn't add s at the end of the word. I cannot say four rices. I cannot say four coffees. I can say 4 cups of coffee, but I couldn't say 4 coffees. Okay? So, bread, rice, coffee, tea, information, happiness, rain, water, milk, milk, hair. Can I say milks? Can I say waters? Can I add s at the end of the uncountable nouns? No, I cannot add s at the end of the uncountable nouns. So, now choose either this noun, countable or uncountable. Number 1, countable rice. What can you see first? I can see rice. Countable or uncountable noun? It's uncountable noun. I cannot count the rice itself, so it's uncountable. Here I have apples. Can I count the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I can count the apples. So the word apples, countable nouns. I can count the apples itself. So it's a countable noun. Now, what can you see? I can see water. Can you count the water, girls? Can you count the water? No, so it's uncountable noun. It's uncountable noun. Now, what can you see? I can see bottles of water. Can you count the bottles of water, girls? Let me count them. Yes, I think I can count the bottles. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 bottles of water. Now, girls, can you count the bottles of water or not? Yes, I can count the bottles of water, but I cannot count the water itself. So, I can count the bottles of water, but I cannot count the water itself. So, the bottles of water here is a countable noun. I can count the bottles of water. Now, girls, let me explain what do I mean by parts of speech definition. Please, girls, focus with me here. So, parts of speech definition are used in traditional grammar for one of 9 main categories into which words are classified according to their function in a sentence. Again, girls, define what do I mean by parts of speech are used in traditional grammar for one of 9 main categories in which words are classified according to their function in a sentence. Now, girls, today I will explain. We will take 4 main categories. Okay, we will take four main categories in the parts of speech. We will take nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Again, girls, I will explain nouns, verbs today in my lesson. Next time, I will explain what do I mean by adjectives and adverbs. Okay, girls? Now, let me start by the nouns. What do I mean by nouns? Focus with me, please, girls, here. Nouns are persons, places, things, or ideas. Again, what do I mean by nouns? I mean the persons, the places, the things, or the ideas. For example, Amal is a noun. Supermarket is a place. Pencil is a thing. Pen is a thing. Sarah is a person. Mall is a place. Again, girls. What do I mean by nouns? Nouns are persons, places, things, or ideas. Give me examples using nouns. For example, Amal, supermarket, pencil, pen, Sarah, mall. These are nouns. Amal, supermarket, pencil, pen, Sarah, mall, tables, chairs, books, doors, windows, TV, phone, okay, laptop. Now, what do I mean by verbs? What do I mean by verbs, girls? Or define. What do I mean by verbs? Are action words that tell what happens in a sentence. Again, girls, what do I mean by verbs? Are actions, are action words that tell what happens in a sentence. Now, can you give me examples using verbs? Write, go, swim, play, read, play, pray, cry, study, swim, play, talk, do, write, run, jump. So, what do I mean by verbs are action words that tell what happens in a sentence? Give me examples using verbs. Write, go, speak, swim, play, read, jump, cry, study, do, talk, carry. Okay? Now, choose a noun from the following words. Choose a noun from the following words, girls. Number one, we have read. Number two, we have beautiful. Number three, we have pencil. What is the noun here? What is the noun, girls? The noun is pencil. So the word pencil is a noun. Now, choose a verb from the following words. Notebook, speak, beautiful. What is the verb here? The verb is number two. So the verb is speak. This is the verb. Notebook is a noun. Okay? So notebook is a noun. Speak is a verb. Beautiful, I will explain it next time, girls. What do I mean by beautiful? I mean, or classify the word beautiful. It is an adjective. I will explain it next time. So, what is the verb here? The verb is speak. Now, girls, give me one verb, then make a sentence using the verb. Give me one verb, make a sentence using the verb. For example, let me write the verb go, okay? The verb go. Write a sentence using the go. I always go to the supermarket with my mother. So I always go to the supermarket with my mother. Again, girls, give me one verb, then make a sentence using this verb. For example, girls, I always go to the supermarket with my mother. Now, girls, give me one noun, then make a sentence using the noun. For example, girls, pen. Okay? For example, pen. Let me make a sentence using pen. I have 6 pens. For example, I have 6 pens. So the word pen is a noun. So the word pen is a noun, girls. I have 6 pens. Now, girls, ask about age. If you want to ask someone about his or her age, what can you say? I can say, how old is he or how old is she, right? So, here, how many persons can you see here, girls? I can see 3 persons. 1, 2, 3. Ask them about their age. What can you say? They are 10 years old. What can you say, girls, to ask them about their age? You can say, how old are they? So you can say what? How old are they? So, how old are they? They are 10 years old. Again, girls, ask how many persons can you see here? I can see 3 persons. They are 10 years old. Now I want you to ask them about their age. What can you say? You can say, how old are they? How old are they? They are 10 years old. Now, girls, she is 8 years old. Sorry, she is 8 years old. So I want to ask about her age. I want now to ask about her age. What can I say? I can say, how old is she? Again, girls, how old is she? So I want to ask about her age. What can I say? She is 8 years old. How old is she? She is 8 years old. Now, girls, ask about his age. He is 8 years old. Ask about his age, please. How old is he? How old is he? So, how old is he? He is 8 years old. Now, girls, ask about his age. He is 8 years old. Ask about her age. She is 8 years old. How old is she? Ask about their age. How old are they? They are 10 years old. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your book. Please, girls, open your book. Page number 38, I think. Page number 38. Write the day with the date, please, girls. Write the day with the date, please. Write Tuesday. Tuesday. Sorry. Tuesday. Right. Tuesday, 9, 4, 14, 42 after Hijrah. Again, girls, write the day with the date, please. Write the day with the date, please, girls, in your book on page number 38. Then, girls, I want you to listen. I want you to listen, please.
Rhythms and sounds. Exercise 1. Listen and chant.
Are you ready? Let's start. How old are you? How old are you? I am 10. I am 10. How old is Abdullah? How old is Abdullah? He is 10. He is 10. How old is she? How old is she? Who is she? Who is she? How old is Amina? How old is Amina? She is 10. She is 10. How old are you? How old are you? We are 10. We are 10. We are, they are. We are, they are. We're all 10.
Okay, girls, how old are they? How old are you? How old are you? I am 10. I am 10. How old is Abdullah? How old is Abdullah? He is 10. He is 10. How old is she? How old is she? Who is she? Who is she? How old is Amina? How old is Amina? She is 10. She is 10. How old are you? How old are you? We are 10. We are 10. We are, they are, we are, they are. Okay? Now, girls, I want you to open your notebook, please, in the handwriting section. Write the day with the date, please, girls. Then copy this song in your notebook. Again, girls, write the day with the date, please. Copy this song in your notebook, please. Then your homework, girls, in the activity book is page number Page number 97. I want you here to trace the gray words, then trace and write letter E and F. Letter E and F. You have also another homework. I want you to write 5 uncountable nouns. Sorry girls, 5 uncountable nouns. Then Make a sentence using each countable noun. Again, girls, your second homework is write 5 uncountable nouns, then make a sentence using each uncountable noun. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.